YouTube? It's Lordship, and we're back at it again with another banger video, man, on this fine, lovely Tuesday morning. As you guys can see, it's currently 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna give y'all a POV drive, man. Another morning POV. I know my last one did good, but we're gonna be going through the city with this POV drive. Told me we're gonna wake up the city, man. Say good morning to all the people in the city with my Charger RT, my straight pipe Charger RT. Stay tuned to the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Definitely subscribe if you're new. We're gonna turn y'all up, man. It's gonna be a short little video, nothing too long, but we're gonna make her scream. As you see, we in track mode at 7 in the morning. Excuse my voice, man. I just woke up. I'm tired of this shit, I ain't gonna lie. All y'all really need to hear is the exhaust on this bitch, so y'all don't really gotta hear my voice like that. But as you see, we stuck at this light right now. Here we go. Y'all think I should go in manual? I think I might go in manual. Oh shit. That light almost got my ass. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we're gonna drive through the city, man, with the Charger RT. Pretty much just tell good morning to everybody with the car, man. We just gonna be like, feel me? Making her scream all through the city. Hopefully 12 ain't out this bitch. Damn, bro, these lights be taking mad long, cuz. Let's get it, y'all. Once again, if y'all tuned in right now, smash that like button. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Comment for any questions or concerns that you guys have. This is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Track mode. I got the Z Automotive Taser. That's how I have that ability to have track mode in this car, if you guys are wondering. But we're gonna put the windows down a little bit more. As you guys can see, man. Let's wake this city up, man. Let's get it. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix the quality real quick. There we go. Bust a right here. Oh shit, we got 12, y'all. 12. As y'all see, man, cops is chilling out this bitch. Should I make a right? I might make a right. Damn, bro, that truck's struggling to get up the hill. What the fuck? Bro, I hope this cop don't try to get behind me. That's some weird shit, bro. I'm ready to bust it right. Actually, I think I might. Yeah, I'm gonna make it right. Nah, I'm gonna go straight. Only because that car was making it right. Right here. Yeah, I can. Oh my god. Shit sound like a motherfucking red eye. Hold on. Alright, we good, y'all. We good. Damn. I know y'all hear them shifts, bro. Once again, it's 7 in the morning. Am I drawling right now, y'all? Am I drawling? Driving through the city like this at 7 a.m.? Look, hear the shift, y'all. Oh my God. sound fucking crazy, dog. Shit sound fucking crazy. Man, I ain't been dropping like that, so I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna try to drop like 4 videos for y'all this week. Just keep, feel me, tapping in, fucking with my videos, y'all. Oh shit. Nah, bro, this RT is loud as shit, bro. Y'all don't understand, man. I know y'all hearing over the camera, it might not sound that loud. In person, this bitch scream. Oh shit, 12. We got 12 to my right again. Fuck, bro, they just out this bitch, bro. He right there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Surprised they ain't get me. I gotta chill out. I ain't gonna make this long, y'all. I gotta chill out. This might be like a little 8 to 10 minute video. Cops just sitting out this bitch. Can I make it? I can make it right here. I'm tweaking. I'm gonna just wait, bro. I'm gonna just wait. I don't feel like moving. Unless that light turn green. But I'm gonna go that way and then make a left. Damn, somebody's car smell like straight gas. The fuck? Good morning to everybody on this lovely Tuesday morning. Cloudy as shit. Cloudy as fuck. There we go, y'all. Oh my God. I'll make a left right here. Another cop, as you guys can see. Another cop. We're just gonna make a left and I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna do a little pull for y'all. I'm gonna do a pull for y'all, then I'm gonna end it here, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that another cop? I was about to say, bro. Another fucking cop, dude. These niggas just out. These niggas is just out, bro. Should I draw? I ain't gonna draw. I might as well continue the POV for a little bit longer on the streets. We just left the city, but we still like in that area sort of, so I'm gonna just continue a little bit longer. Nah, bro's license plate. Come on, nigga, go. Fuck. This place says beer can. Nigga, why you beeping at me, bitch? Alright, I'm gonna let y'all hear this downshift real quick. Second gear. I'm about to downshift the first. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna pull into this. I'm gonna pull into this gas station and let y'all take a look at what she look like right now. Y'all probably haven't seen what she look like in a while. If you guys don't already follow my car page, my Instagram page, go tap in with that. 345.lureshift. Once again, that's 345.lureshift on Instagram. It's my car page, but I'm gonna let y'all take a look at her real quick. That's gonna be the end of the POV drive. If you guys wanna continue watching the video. I'm gonna show y'all what she look like real quick. But if not, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Smash that like button before you go. Subscribe. And also comment. I need all fire emoji comments, man. We're gonna turn y'all up. I'm dropping 4 times this week. Word. But as you guys can see, man, we got a new ambient lighting in the vehicle. In the Charger, feel me? We got a new ambient lighting. This like a little cheap brand, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna try to go to lighting trends and get like some crazy shit. Like, I don't know if you guys ever seen the flow one, but they have one that literally flows. It's tough as shit. Y'all gotta look it up. But it's from lighting trends. But this shit right here, just some cheap shit. Not too cheap, but something other than that. But yeah, you can change the colors and shit like that. Let me show y'all real quick. Y'all probably wondering what the fuck this shit look like. Green, blue, yellow, red. It'll look 10 times better at night. That's orange, but yeah, let me show y'all what she look like. I'm bullshitting right now. You guys can see, man, the Lure Shift Mobile 2019 Dodge Charger RT looking good as fuck. Yes, sir. Got that nice looking hood wrap. It's a little hard to tell at night sometimes, but from this angle, you can really see the hood wrap. Good as shit. Now, I gotta show y'all the ass. Right? Gotta show y'all the ass. A lot of you guys are probably wondering what the fuck happened to my taillight tint. But I ripped it off and I tried to tint the whole thing and it didn't come out right, so it's just been off ever since. But I'm gonna redo it and shit like that, so we ain't worry about that. But as of right now, that's not 392 neither, that's 345. So don't dicky. For all you niggas who was dickying in my videos, oh, you got 392 on the side, bro, that ain't no RT. That's 345, cousin. I don't up badge. I don't fucking up badge, nigga. But yeah, got the Hellcat wheels. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna make this too long, so once again, appreciate you guys for tuning in. We gonna end it here, y'all. It's Lure Shift, and we out.